40, 20, 10.
Yep.
Welcome to episode 2 of 40 2010. We've just topped off the tanks on the corner of Kelly Drive and Midvale Avenue. We're headed to the Philadelphia Glider Council today via Lincoln, Upsall, and PA 309 North. It is uncharacteristically but pleasantly warm for this time of the year. Shouts out to my friends at Locate Barbados. Thank you for watching and enjoy the ride.
Yep. 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 Yep.
Welcome to a quiet and beautiful Philadelphia Glider Council. This has been a lot of fun for me. I'm going to keep doing these. It's coming up to winter, so it might be a break
Yep.
until you see the next one. But thank you so much for your support. As always, likes are appreciated, subs are loved, ride safe, and I'll see you next time.
Yep.
No one's flying. Oh, here's really pretty though, not much.